Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Come here. Say hi to everyone. Come here. Come here. Say hi. My name is Stella and I'm crazy. I'm crazy. You guys are gonna have to be quiet, okay? Can you shut it? I'm starting off the video today with little Stella and Aurora because they're being naughty girls. They're still being naughty girls. Yes, still being naughty. I'm a bad girl. I'm so bad. But today I wanted to do a really late video. I wanted to film what I got for Christmas because I really like watching those videos and I like seeing what other people got, and yeah, and I just think it'll be a really exciting video, and yeah, so they're being really crazy right now. Yeah, so if you guys are interested, keep on watching and let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. I plan on doing a haul from IMATS. It's a makeup convention in LA, so if you guys want to see that, let me know. Or don't, because I plan on filming it anyway. But yeah, so if you guys are interested, keep on watching and let's get into it. Guys, you're really gonna have to stop. Background. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my best friend, and this was actually my first Christmas gift of the year. And she moved to Oregon recently, so I don't get to see her very often, so she sent this over to me and I love her so much. So it's just this like aromatherapy. It's this aromatherapy kit, so a really cute gift. And if you know me, I'm really into essential oils and all the natural stuff. I plan on doing another video all on that kind of stuff too. So if you guys are interested in that or like want to know anything else about that, let me know and I will make a video. Let's see. Another thing she got me was this adorable little like whatever this thing is called. But it's really cute. I'm just gonna like put it on my nightstand with a picture of like us two together. It says not sisters by blood but sisters by heart, and this, like, when I opened this, it made me cry because I miss her so much, and she's my best friend. So this was so cute, and it's like my style with like the rustic and like wood kind of look. So that was really cute. And she also got me like a little like Coos Bay Oregon little mug, so that was really cute too. So moving on to my boyfriend, he was such a good gift giver this year. I was not expecting anything like this. Got me this the Louis Vuitton coin purse, so I just keep it on my keys. I love it. It is so cute. I've been wanting this for a really long time, so super excited he got this for me. It was so nice of him. Okay. The next thing that he got me, which was also very unexpected, were these Adidas, oh shoot, I forgot the name. The NMD R1. That's all I know. These are really cute. They're definitely my color and my style, and I just love them so much. They are so adorable. So got me some Ethika athletic wear, and so he got me leggings from them, which are super cute, and they just have a red stripe going all the way down, and I salmony red, and I just love it. I love leggings, workout leggings, everything, so good job, honey. He also got me this plain black Ethika sports bra, which I also love. These really cute workout shorts. They're so cute. Not really like my style because I'm more into like blacks and grays and whites and stuff. I tried these on and they're so cute. Like, I'm obsessed. So love them. So got me some like underwear from there, which I'm not gonna show you. Okay, so moving on to my mom. She is always the best. Like, my mom is just like the sweetest person ever. So I will start off with this heavy thing. She got me some wrist and ankle weights. I've been wanting some for a long time because, you know, new year, new me, gotta work out, you know. So they're pink and they're very heavy. So I'm excited to work out with these, grow that booty. And then she got me a silk pillowcase. And if you don't have a silk pillowcase, you need to get one because they are so good for your hair, especially if you have extensions. For your hair, it's good for your face, the skin on your face. It helps prevent wrinkles, keeps your hair from getting tangled. So yeah, you definitely need one of these, and they're not expensive at all. She knows that I've been wanting a cropped jean jacket and I can't find one anywhere. So she got me this one and it is so cute. Cropped. I also received this Zara perfume that I've been wanting for a long time. It is the Nude Bouquet. And our perfumes, they're so cheap and they smell so good and last all day. So I opened this little Sephora box, and because I love Drunk Elephant products, and these were in here. I love these things so much. I've been wanting them for so long, but Drunk Elephant products, guys, are so expensive. Thank you. Excited to use these. Haven't used them yet just because I've been so busy, but love. So from Sephora, she got me the Sunday Riley UFO Acne Treatment Base Oil. This, so cute, nice and fancy. I don't really get acne, but I do get congested because I do have oily skin. So hopefully this will help my congestion because I really want to try this stuff. So she also got me a North Face jacket, but for some reason I can't find it. And the last thing she got me was a ring light, and I'm not gonna, it's upstairs because it's already put away and like ready to set up. But I'm so thankful for that because I'm getting back into YouTube, and I really needed that for sit down videos. So I'm so thankful for that. It's really gonna help me. That was everything from my mom. So I'm so grateful for everything. Next, I'm going to move on to my good friend. Her name is Angelica. She gifted me with some hair product because she works for a hair company and she gets a lot of cool stuff. She got me Paul Mitchell's new line, which is the Neuro Care, and she got me the shampoo, conditioner, hairspray, a treatment. So I'm so thankful for that. And then as an addition, she also got me the Redhead Rackaholic Dirty Secret Dry Shampoo. Said this is her favorite, so I'm sorry, I beg to differ. I tried this and I love it. I really do love it, but my all-time favorite is still the Living Proof. Love it. It's my absolute favorite. So sorry. I'm so thankful. Like, this is literally like Paul Mitchell's whole NeuroCare collections. I'm so thankful for this. Thank you, Angelica. We will move on to, I'm totally terrible and lose all my stuff. I just misplace it because I'm putting so many things away right now. So I'm just misplacing everything. But I'm gonna move on to my boyfriend's sister. And she is such a good gift giver too. She thinks she's not, but she really is. And I love and appreciate everything. So first thing was this Kate Spade wallet. And usually this is not my style. Like I said, I'm a gray, black, and white girl. But I love this. It's a periwinkle blue. And it's got these beautiful pearls on them. I am obsessed with this wallet. Like, this is so, so cute. Thank you again. Love you all so much. So the thing that I misplaced was a Michael Kors beanie that she got me. Kind of like you know, nothing too crazy, but I misplaced it because I used it and misplaced it when I was putting things away. But the last thing she got me was this Victoria's Secret kind of crop top. It is so adorable. It just says Victoria's Secret right here. I don't know if you can tell. Right there. And it is so adorable. I love it. Fits me perfectly. It's my color, nude. Thank you. On to my aunt. She lives in Colorado and they're actually moving to Italy. So she sent over a pair of Lululemon Align shorts. These just came out not too long ago and I needed them. I am like the Align pant queen. When they came out with shorts, like, I had to have them. She sent these over to me and I can't remember what color, but it's like this beautiful like plum kind of cherry color. Definitely gonna be wearing these when it gets warmer. Moving on to my boyfriend's mom, actually my boyfriend's parents. A couple pairs of these really, really soft, like sweatery leggings. And they look really tiny from here, but they actually stretch like a lot. They're so comfortable. She got me a pair in like this other one in like a dark blue. So I love these so much. If I can like show you the inside, but they're like blanket soft inside. Like, they're so nice to wear, especially with this weather right now. Me a pair of really cute pink fuzzy socks, my favorite color. Spiced gingerbread swirl hand soap. I love these hand soaps. How cute is this? She took like a bottle from Bath and Body Works and she made her own soap, essential oils. And again, obsessed with essential oils, if you know me. Made her own soap and it smells so good. And she like likes making her own concoctions. So I really appreciate when she does stuff like this. Some fingertip gloves so you can be on your phone while wearing these. Guys, candy cane soap. I love the smell of this. Like sugar. Like real sugar. Last but not least, my family friend who is my aunt's neighbor, she actually got me some stuff from Nordstrom and I'm so thankful because she's always just so sweet to me. So she got me a Voluspa candle and I love these candles so much because you can reuse the tin and they're just so beautiful and they're made with coconut wax and I love like anything natural, so this is like so nice. I love it so much. It will die when you see the packaging. It is just beautiful. Like, are you serious? Like, I feel like I'm gonna get handprints all over it or fingerprints. Beautiful. And then you just take the lid off, set it down. Beautiful. I love it. It smells like the beach. Like, it smells like a beach hotel. Like, also got me a Nordstrom gift card, which I'm also so thankful for. So that completes what I got for Christmas. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry about these two little rascals if you kind of like heard them in the background. I'm gonna try to upload more. It's just been a crazy year and a crazy time right now. So I hope you all had an amazing Christmas, and I know I am like a month late, but I really wanted to film this just because love watching them and I thought you guys might too. Thank you so much for watching and let me know what other kind of videos you want to see. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!